Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How you doing today? All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, go ahead and do me a favor. Click the subscribe button. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, today I want to show you a software that I've been using for quite a while. This software is a SMS texting software. If using this software, it will allow you to promote any business opportunity, okay? If you have a website, okay? In other words, if you're the company you're promoting, if they've given you a link, an affiliate link, you can use this software to help you promote that business, all right? Now, when I say software, it's nothing that you have to download or any of that. Actually, what happens is you're going to be automatically assigned a phone number. This is my number. Matter of fact, this is a second number that I have. I'm using this particular number to promote Newbies on Fire. You can use your software to promote whatever you want, okay? Doesn't matter what it is, as long as you have a link, okay? So, what happens is we share this number. Go ahead and dial it so you can see how it works. And what will happen is you're going to hear a recorded message, okay? And then you'll press 1 and it will text you my website for Newbies on Fire, okay? So you can do the same thing. Just direct your number to whatever link you want it to be. So this is a great software, guys. It comes with you're going to get a website with it. You're going to get 100 free credits. So out the gate, this thing is set up and ready to go. All you need to do is go to your profile and specify how you want to receive your payments, okay? Because every time you resell this software, you make $200. That's right, okay? The software is $297 total. There's no monthly fees. And every time you resell it, you make $200. It has a built-in one-up comp plan, okay? So your first sale will pass up to your sponsor. And then after that, you're qualified to just keep making $200 over and over and over, okay? So this software can help you promote whatever your primary business is. If you don't have a primary business, not a problem. Promote this software itself and just make $200 over and over and over, okay? So there's no monthly fees with it. It's $297 one time. $97 will go to the company. $200 will come to me if you join me, okay? Now, this system, as I stated, is already ready to go. It comes with pre-written ads. You have a back office, so you can see every phone number that dials your number, okay? So you can track that. And it will also show you when people actually create an account, okay? So now you have their phone number, their name, and email, and you can follow up with these people. So now you have a simple way, guys, to promote your business, okay? Just sharing your number. And then, again, when they dial the number, press 1, it's going to take them to your primary business. Let me show you, for an example. Dial mine, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But let me show you the page I'm promoting, okay? So when you dial my number, press 1, it's going to take you to this page, okay? And then you just enter your information here, and you'll get my Newbies on Fire presentation, okay? So if you're in Newbies on Fire, this is a good software that you can get, okay, to help you promote it if you're having problems getting leads or signups, okay? So, great software. It's for anybody, actually. Any entrepreneur, whether you're a real estate agent, doesn't matter what business you have out there. If you have a website, you can use this software to help you promote it. So it's well worth it, okay? And it comes with this this page. This video right here is going to do the selling and telling for you. Here's another video. So this whole page does the selling and telling for you guys. So you don't have to explain to people, well, what is this? Okay. And if you don't have a business, as I stated, you can just use this, press 1 as your primary business and just make $200 over and over and over and over. Okay. So that's how it works. Now let me show you how the people are calling my number. Let me show you. Go in your back office and you'll see this as well. Hang on. Okay. If you look to the left right there, see the calls that's coming in. Okay. And the numbers are here. I'm covering up the phone numbers for privacy protection of people that have called my number. Okay, so it definitely works. For example, I put an ad out, right? Want to make $200, no, $250. Want to make $250 a day, okay? Using your smartphone or computer, and then put that phone number. Okay, so people will call the number. When they call it, they press 1. They get my Newbies on Fire, and it does all the selling and telling for me. And then at the same time, I'm getting leads, right? And the leads are going to have that follow-up email series to follow up with them on my behalf. And I can follow up with them as well because I can see the leads that are coming in. Okay? Great way to do it. Now let me show you a graphic, because as I stated, this is my second number. I have another number where I actually promote Press 1 itself. Okay? So I had a graphic made for that. And you can do the same and post your graphic on social media. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Okay, here's one of the graphics for my other number. As you can see, this is a different number, but this particular Press 1 number promotes Press 1. Call that number and you will see it takes you to my Press 1 information, okay, where I'm promoting how to make $200 per sale. So this stuff is very simple, guys. All you need to do is implement what I'm telling you, okay? That's it. So you literally can start a business just promoting Press 1. You can start a business for $297 just promoting the Press 1 software, okay? You can make a full-time income off of that. Now, if you're interested in Newbies on Fire, call my number. Let me put it back up here for you. Call this number and you'll see. My Newbies on Fire is a digital business, okay, with digital education to teach you how to make money online. It comes with a lot of training, and you can make $100 commissions, $250 commissions, $500 commissions, okay, with that program. Okay, instant pay, member to member. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make money online, that's the course you want to get. All right, but use this software. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Placing ads. I'm putting out different graphics, and people are calling that number. And I just showed you the call detail of that. All right, guys. So with that being said, that's all I've got for you today. Dial this number. Check it out. Okay, check it out. If you have any questions, give me a call. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.